everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I have Serge with me because we are going to be upgrading his bathroom. Yes, today with the help of my friends at PetPivot, we are going to try this Autoscooper12, and this is a self-cleaning bathroom for kitty. So I am going to show you what I have currently and what I don't like about it. And then I'm going to show you how this is so much better. I am truly excited for it. Serge can't wait. Look at that face. Yes, he cannot wait. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started. Quick unboxing, let's go. Okay, now that it is unboxed, we're going to put it together, and when I'm done, I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's go. We're going to start with the legs, 4 of them right here. Pretty straightforward. And we repeat. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm going to install the waste container. We're going to add one of the bags to it. Hold on. Here we go. Let me show you. Okay, I want to show you this process because it's really cool. This is your waste container, so you just get this part up, you grab the bag, and you put it over, okay? And of course, you want to make sure that it's in. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. It's going to look like this. Now we close it. Okay, waste container ready. And now we add the step for your cat to be able to get in easy. Okay, voila. Okay, that took literally 2 minutes. Now we're going to plug it in. We're going to set up the cat litter inside. I am going to replace my old litter, and then I'm going to talk about it. So stick around for the whole process, okay? Because I do have a specific spot for it. As you can see, you can't find my cat litter, can you? It is because it's hidden behind this chair. So I'm going to do the same thing. Of course, I want you to make sure that you see all the process because this new cat litter is going to be incredible for me because no more cleaning all the time, no more scooping. So I'm really excited about it. Seriously, let's go. Old cat litter, new cat litter, old, new, old, new. Okay, I want to show you something really quick, perhaps too much showing you, but see this carpet? I placed this carpet here because of the tracking. Tracking is when your cat finishes his stuff and then he pretty much brings all the litter outside of the box. That's why the carpet, so that it holds it, so then there's no litter in my floor. Honestly, barely works. So I'm excited for the new cat litter because it's higher, okay? And the tracking is going to be prevented by it being contained. So I'm excited to even get rid of this carpet, to be honest with you. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but Serge was creeping right there. Are you coming here, Serge? Come here, honey. Anyway, he knows I'm doing something for him. Okay, finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Why would you need this self-cleaning PetPivot 12? First of all, self-cleaning, that says everything that you need to know. No more scooping, so you can enjoy an easier cat care routine. The design is very user-friendly. It has a one-touch cleaning, and of course, it is all automatic. Are you lucky enough to have more than one cat? Guess what? You can have up to 4 cats using the same cat litter. How incredible is that? Here is the coolest part. It stores up to 8 liters of capacity, of poop that is. So it actually allows you for a no scoop time of up to 10 days, which I think is pretty awesome. And on top of that, you're actually not doing anything. With the self-cleaning feature, you actually just grab the bag, throw it away, replace the bag, and you're ready to go. No more scooping, no more messes. It is all absolutely easy, user-friendly. For those of you who must be first-time cat owners, this might be a good one for you. Let's talk about design for a second. First of all, we have the step, which allows for cats to have an easy entry. It is also designed to protect cats in every position, and that is done by the means of the legs that keep the PetPivot high a little bit. It also has a spacious interior for natural cat movement, so the cat can actually move around, get comfortable as he is doing his thing. It also has a wide opening which allows for less cat litter splash, which I think to me is the best part. And it is also super easy to clean. What do we think, Serge? He likes it. Believe it or not, this cat litter has 7 pairs of infrared sensors. They work together to monitor your cat's position, providing near full coverage detection with minimal blind spots. Here is my most favorite part. The drawer that is actually behind the step allows for the poo-poo to be sealed and contained. So then you actually take the poop out completely in a bag and it's sealed. There's no odors, there's no messes. I said this again. When you are thinking about a cat litter, especially these days, these self-cleaning cat litters are absolutely incredible. And I think PetPivot has the best one. This is the 300D Oxford mat with added protection. It is made out of durable fabric with a water-resistant coating and raised edges. The mat helps contain the litter scatter and everyday spills, making cleanup easier over time. It is anti-leakage, anti-stick, waterproof, and brush washable. The best part is that you can set this cat litter box absolutely anywhere in your house. You can find any corner and it's small enough that it will fit perfectly. It is also a very simplistic design so that it won't take away from your decor. What are you waiting for? If you want something amazing for your cat, but that is also amazing for you, go ahead and check out my friends at PetPivot. You can find all the links in the description of this video, and I really hope you say hello from me. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media, you can support me on Patreon, and you can also check me out at my other 2 channels, Carlainparadise and Carla Rates. I will see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.